If parrots starred in a Hollywood movie, it would look like this. But we're about to show you the version with feathers, fists, and butt in the air. Well, even Mickey Mouse would be jealous of this one. Action's coming up, but first, Umka needs to check if everything's still fluffy. Umka trusts no one, not even himself, especially himself. Contact established, but first, Operation Revenge on the Rope initiated. Round 2 coming up. The rope is hoping for a comeback, but Umka is like Usyk, quiet, fluffy, and merciless. Exclusive footage from a second angle. You can see it clearly now. Umka is giving no chances. Everything's by the rules. Bite, precise, claw, in place. The rope thought it was just going to hang out. Wrong, twice. Umka's going full beast mode. This isn't just a fight anymore, it's a power display. Wings out, claws ready. Umka, in his element. Looks like he decided if the rope won't surrender, he's just gonna sit on it. He's spinning like a tiny tornado, and that tornado's got a beak. The rope's trying to resist, but every bite makes it regret hanging around in the first place. It's round 2, and the rope is already begging for a third chance. Umka doesn't hear it. He's busy. Winning. Umka, on the rope. That's it. Fight's over. Whoever's on top is always right. He sat down, got comfy. Victory isn't just something you win, it's something you sit on.